Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Claude Code. By the end, you'll know how to install it and start your first session, how to use AI to explore your code, edit files, and manage Git, and the essential commands you'll use every day. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the install. Look how simple this is. Mac or Linux. One curl command. Windows. One PowerShell command. That's literally it. And the best part? It updates itself in the background. You never have to worry about versions again. Now when you type Claude for the first time, it asks you to pick a login method. You can see the options right here. I'd go with Claude Max. You pick one, browser opens, you authenticate, done. And it remembers you, so you only do this once. Okay, now here's where it gets exciting. Look at this welcome screen. This is what you see when you open Claude Code in your project. Your model, your project name, helpful tips. And here's the magic part. It already understands your code base. No config needed. Just type after that little arrow and go. Now watch this. This is so cool. I type, what does this project do? And look. See those tool calls appearing? Glob, read. Claude is scanning through the files right now. And then boom, this beautiful summary. Tech stack, entry points, architecture. All figured out automatically. In seconds. Okay, but this is my absolute favorite part. I'm asking Claude to add input validation. Watch how it reads the file first to understand the context. Then it thinks for a moment. And look at this diff. Green lines are additions. And the key thing? It asks your permission before changing anything. You're always in control. And Git integration? Oh man, you're gonna love this. I just say commit my changes. And watch. It checks the status. Stages the right files. Writes a descriptive commit message. All done. No more switching between your editor and the command line. All right, before we go, here's your cheat sheet. These are the commands you'll use every single day. Claude to start. -P for quick questions. -C to pick up where you left off. And my personal favorite? Escape, which rewinds your changes if anything goes wrong. Super handy. And that's Claude Code. Honestly, once you try it, you're going to wonder how you ever coded without it. Here are my tips. Be specific with what you ask. Break big tasks into smaller steps. And let Claude explore your code first before making changes. Now go open your terminal. Type Claude. And just try it. Trust me, you'll thank me later.